Huh.
Poison 2.
Hello guys, my name is Dr. Poison, and today we're playing like a game, finally, but this is not a vlog, so yeah. Vlog won't be titled. Ow! So, you might have known something that like my voice is like different. That's because I'm sick, and so deal with it. So this game is called Epic. I don't know how to read that. Oh my god. Okay. Punch the Trump. So this is just like a Trump thing. Just gonna fight him. I already played a little round, so you don't have to go through like the tutorial, me learning, because I'm stupid sometimes at some games.
Ready? Fight!
Oh god. Oh yeah. Oh jeez.
The American dream is dead. I'm really rich.
Oh god. Oh jeez. Was that just Hadouken?
I'm really rich.
Oh, just go ahead and do this.
Everybody knows what I'm saying is true. Yeah.
You just spam at him. Nope. Oh, and Dino and Seb, I want to see you guys play this game.
I'm really rich.
Oh crap!
You lose. Perfect.
Well, isn't that crap, Nuggets? We're gonna retry another round, guys.
Ready? Fight! Look, I'm really rich.
Yeah, shut up, Trump.
The American dream is dead. Try getting it out. I'm really rich. You're fired.
Okay, we're almost there to beating Trump. Oh my god. Like wrecking him.
I'm really rich.
Oh.
You're fired.
Oh man, I think I'm gonna die again.
Last one.
No! Tell me later what should I play, and I'll play it. So we're gonna play it. We're probably gonna play it next time. If just tell me, like, fast in comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.